Your food tastes bland because you don't season it right. This isn't your average store-bought curry powder. We're talking layers of flavor: warm cinnamon, earthy coriander, sweet fennel, golden turmeric, smoky cloves, and much more. Spices carefully chosen, toasted, and blended to perfection. Imagine the taste and aroma of your meats, stews, and soups with this. This isn't just seasoning, it's a passport to Flavor Town, ready to transform every dish into something unforgettable. If you go through labels of several store-bought curry powder, you would realize that they all have different spice mix, some with as little as 5 and others with as much as 20. The tastes are always different. Making yours at home gives you absolute control and the ability to tweak to perfection and bulk produce, thereby getting quality for a less amount. It is vital to toast the larger spices first before adding in the smaller ones. This ensures they all get evenly roasted and toasted, and they release their oils and aromas. So no more making bland dishes. Now you've got this. If you love food with soul and stories, hit subscribe because we are just getting started.